Okay guys, so here we have the exit ticket for October 14th. As always, we can start with writing our name first. So I'll just put Mr. A. The first question that we have is Sierra walked 1/3 of the distance to school in 1/6 of an hour. At this rate, how long will it take Sierra to walk the entire way to school? So let me start with a diagram or a model. So I'm going to say, okay, she's walking 1/3 of the distance to school. So let me separate this tape diagram into 3 parts. So this is 1/3, 2/3 of the way to school, and then 3/3 of the way to school. And then we have, it takes her 1/6 of an hour to walk that distance. So 1/6, 1/6, and 1/6. So that's the amount of time, and this is the amount of the distance up here. So it says, how long will it take Sierra to walk the entire way to school? So if she takes 1/6 for one part, then if I multiply it by 3, what am I going to get? So again, I can't multiply straight away. I have to make it a fraction. So I can say, okay, it's going to be 1/6 times 3/1. And then I multiply straight across. 1 times 3 is 3. 6 times 1 is 6. And this would be my answer. But there's no 3/6 over here, so let me see if I can simplify. If I divide this by 3 and I divide this by 3, I get 1/2. So it would take her half an hour to walk all the way to school. So this would be my answer choice right here, letter C. Okay, so explain the unit rate from the previous walking to school problem. What does it mean in real life? It means Sierra would take half of an hour to walk all the way to school. Because remember, that's what the question asked us for. To walk the entire way to school. How long would it take her? So it takes her 1/2 of an hour. So that's what your answer would look like for that one. Okay, then going up. The next problem, Chance finished 3/10 of his research paper in 30 minutes. How long will it take him to write his entire paper? So again, let me try and draw a diagram. This one I'm going to make it bigger because it's more parts. So let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we have all these 10 parts. So we have 1/10, 2/10, 3/10. That's what it said, that he finished 3/10 of his research paper in 30 minutes. So if all these put together is 30 minutes, because it took him 30 minutes for 3 parts, how much is each part worth? This means it took him 10 minutes, 10 minutes, and then 10 minutes again, because 30 divided by 3 parts is 10. So that means it's going to take him 10 minutes for every little part here. So again, they want to know how long it's going to take him to write his entire paper. So for him to write all 10 out of 10 parts. So we know that it's 10 minutes. And it's going to be multiplied by 10 parts. So what's 10 times 10? 10 times 10 equals 100 minutes. Because he has to get all of these. So we already know that he finished these 3. But the ones that he still hasn't finished yet are all of these. He still has to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So we know, okay, he finished 30 minutes, but he still has 70 minutes of work that he still has to do. So 30 plus 70 is 100 minutes. So our answer would be letter A. So we can write this, explain the unit rate from the previous research paper problem. What does it mean in real life? So it means that Chance would finish writing his whole paper after 100 minutes, because that's the amount of time. It took him 30 minutes for 3 parts, but it's going to take him 100 minutes for all 10 parts. And again, it's 10 parts because of this right here. Those are 10 parts of his research paper. So again, hopefully these questions and work were able to help you. If you have any questions about the steps, just send me a message and I'll do my best. Thank you guys.